Good morning, Farmer Joe here. Just bringing me two dogs out for a walk. But before I bring them out for a walk, I'm just going to do a few more calisthenic exercises. 50 press ups, 50 squats. It'll only take me a little over 3 minutes. And 3 minutes. And if you're going to replace snacks, every time you want a snack, do 10 press ups. The best thing you'll ever do in your life. Just going to go down now and do me. I'm going to do my press ups here now. Just up now, straight at the squats. Two of the best exercises you'll ever do in your life. The squats and press ups. Two of the best exercises you'll ever do. Better than any cup of coffee in the morning. My body is tingling. Absolutely unbelievable. To get the natural high. Natural buzz. I'll take care, Farmer Joe.